পৰম শ্ৰদ্ধাৰ বিহুপ্ৰেমী ৰাইজ, বহাগৰ এই ক্ষণত সকলো ৰাইজলৈ
Good morning. We are continuing class 10 general mathematics. Okay, exercise 7.1 chapter 7. In my previous class I did question number 6.1. So today we'll continue from 6. Okay, today we'll do question number 6, 2 and 3. All right. So the question is stated like this: name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reasons for your answer. The question number 2, this one, minus 3 comma 5 3 comma 1 0 comma 3 and minus 1 comma 4 minus 4. Question number 3, 4 comma 5 7 comma 6 4 comma 3 and 1 comma 2. So let me show you one by one. This is question number 2 solution. Let A minus 3 comma 5, B 3 comma 1, C 0 comma 3 and D minus 1 comma minus 4. Okay, B the four points. Okay, so to find the type of quadrilateral, first we define AB, BC, CD and DA. So AB means distance between A and B. We did before. Okay, so like that, AB means distance between A and B. So distance formula, root over. Our formula is like this: x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here coordinate of B will be your x2 y2, A will be your x1 y1. So here x2 means 3, okay, x1 means minus 3, y2 means 1, y1 means 5. Formula x2 minus x1 means minus 3, so we'll give bracket and within bracket you will write, okay, plus y2 means 1 minus y1 means 5 whole square. 3 minus into minus plus 3 whole square. 5 minus 1 is your 4, this is greater than minus square. 3 plus 3 6 square, 4 4 the 16, power even, so plus 6 6 the 36 plus 16. Okay, if you add you will get 6 plus 6 12, 2 in and 1, 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 52 you get. Okay, now you find BC. AB BC, distance between B and C. Formula, compare B and C. Okay, x2 y2 x1 y1. So x2 means here 0, x2 minus x1 3 whole square plus y2 means 3 minus 1 whole square, y2 y1. Okay, compare B and C. It is minus 3 square, 3 minus 1 is your 2 square, 3 3 is a 9, power even, so plus 2 2 is a 4, 9 plus 4 13. Okay, now it was CD. Okay, same, root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. See here x2 means here minus 4 minus x1 means 0. Okay, so x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2. So CD equal to root over x2. Here x2 means minus 1. Okay, before I told minus 4, so sorry, that one, x2 is not minus 4, it is minus 1. x2 minus x1 means 0 whole square plus y2 means minus 4 minus y1 means 3. whole square. Okay, root over it is minus 1 square plus both are negative, you have to add, it is minus 7 whole square. 1 square means 1, power means plus 7 7 is 49, power is even, so this negative become positive. Okay, add it, it will be 50. Okay, no. Next we have to find dA. Okay, same formula, compare D and A. The coordinate of A will be your x2 y2 and D will be your x1 y1. Alright, so here x2 means minus 3, x2 minus x1 means minus 1 whole square plus y2 means 5 minus y1 means minus 4 whole square. Okay, minus 3 minus into minus plus 1 whole square plus 5 minus into minus plus 4 whole square root over. If one is negative, other positive, you to subtract. 3 minus 1 is your 2. This is greater than minus whole square. 5 plus 4, 9 whole square. 2 to the 4, power even, so this negative looking positive. 9 9 is 81. You add it, you will get 85. Okay, look, here all the sides are not equal. Okay, here all the sides are not equal, so no need to find AC and BD. So how does, since AB is not equal to BC is not equal to CD is not equal to DA, since all the sides are not equal, therefore the points we have taken A, comma B, comma C, A, comma B, comma C, and D do not represent okay, do not represent a quadrilateral do not represent a quadrilateral. Okay, do not represent a quadrilateral. Now solution to question number 6.2. Okay, solution same as before. We'll take let A 4,5, B 7,6, C 4,3, and D 1,2 be the 4 points. Okay, 4 points. So same as before, first we have to find AB, BC, CD and DA. Okay, therefore AB means distance between A and B. Compare A and B. The coordinate of B will be your x2 y2, A will be your x1 y1. So here x2 means 7, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 7 minus 4 is your 3 square, 6 minus 5 is 1 square. Okay, so 3 3 is 9, 1 1 is 1. This is root 10. Similarly, find BC and rest. BC, compare B and C. The coordinate of C will be your x2 y2, B will be your x1 y1. Here x2 means 3, x2 minus x1 whole square plus, here x2 means not 3, so 4, okay, not 3, huh? X2 means 4, not 3, okay? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 means 3. 3 minus 6 whole square. Okay. So 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 is greater, so negative sign. Okay. Plus 6 minus 3 is your 3. 6 is greater, so negative 3. Okay. So 3 3 is a 9, power even, so plus. Again here 3 3 is a 9, power even, so this negative become positive. So it is root 18. Next you find CD now. CD. Compare between C and D. CD means distance between C and D. Okay. The coordinate of D will be your x2, y2. C will be your x1, y1. See here x2 means 1 minus x1 means 4 whole square. y2 means 2 minus 3 whole square. Okay. Subtract it. Minus 3 will get plus 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 is greater than negative. 3 3 is a 9, power even positive. 1 1 is a 1, power even, so positive. Okay. It is root 10. Alright. Again to find DA. DA. Same as before. Compare DNA. The coordinate of A will be your x2, y2, D will be your x1, y1. So here x2 means 4 minus x1 means 1 whole square, plus y2 means 5 minus y1 means 2 whole square, root over 3 square plus 3 square. 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay. Root over 3 3 is 9 plus 3 3 is 9 equal to root 18. Now what we have got here, two sides are equal, opposite sides is equal. AB equal to root 10, again BC equal to root 18, again CD equal to 10, again DA equal to root 18. What we have found, the two sides, opposite sides are equal. That means you see the rough diagram here. Okay. We have taken this one A, B, C, D. We have, okay. So what we got here, we have got that AB is equal to CD and BC equal to AD. When the two sides are equal, then we have to find AC and BD. Diagonals must be found out. Okay. So now what to do? We have to find diagonal. Again we have to find AC. So AC, same as before, root over. AC means distance between A and C. Okay. The coordinate of C will be your x2, y2, A will be your x1, y1. So here x2 means 4. Okay. And x1 means also 4 whole square, plus y2 means 3 minus y1 means 5. y2 minus y1 whole square. Negative 4, positive 4 cancel. So 0 square remain. 5 minus 3 is 2. Negative 5. 5 is equal to negative sign. This is square, this one. Okay. 0 meaningless, we don't write 0. 2 to the 4, power even, so plus. We can keep like this, or you can find square root like this. So 4 is 2. And we will find BD now. BD. Find the distance between B and D. Same as before. The coordinate of D will be your x2, y2. D will be your x1, y1. Okay. So here x2 means 1 minus x1 means 7 whole square, plus y2 means 2. Okay. Minus y1 means 6 whole square. 7 minus 1 is your 6. This is greater than negative sign. Okay. 6 minus 2 is your 4. 6 is greater than positive negative sign. This is greater, no? 6 6 is 36, power even, negative become positive. 4 4 is 16, power is even, negative become positive. You edit. 6 plus 6 12. Okay. 3 plus 1 52. Okay. So see, diagonals are not same. That means since we write like this, since AB equal to CD and BC equal to DA and what AC is equal to AC is not equal to, diagonals are not equal, AC is not equal to BD, they are not equal. So since opposites are equal and diagonals are not equal, therefore the points we have taken A, B, C, D. Okay, clear na? A, B, C, D are A, B, C, D. Therefore, the point A, B, C, D form a parallelogram. It is a parallelogram. Okay. Question number 7, and this is the last question for today. Okay. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2, -5 and -2, 9. So solution. Here x-axis is given. What axis is given? X-axis. If it is x-axis, you would write like this: at x-axis y equal to 0. Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Now let p x comma value of y is 0. Okay, x comma 0 value of y 0 be the point which is equidistant from the points A 2, -5 and B -2, 9. Okay, so since P is clear na? P is equidistant. Equidistant means equal distance. Equidistant from A and B. Equidistant means equal distance. Therefore, AP must be equal to BP. Equidistant given, so AP must be equal to BP. Now formula: distance between A and P, root over the coordinate of P will be your x2, y2, A will be your x1. Okay, P will be your x2, y2, and the coordinate of A will be your x1, y1. So here x2 means x minus x1 means A, will coordinate of A 2 whole square, plus y2 means 0 minus y1, y1 means -5, so -5 whole square equal to, similarly BP compare, coordinate of P will be your x2, y2, B will be your x1, y1. Formula: x2 minus x1, x1 means here -2, so -2 whole square, plus y2 means 0 minus y1 means 9 whole square. Okay, square root from both the sides we can cancel, so x minus 2 whole square remain, plus minus into minus plus 5 whole square. This 0 meaningless, we don't write, equal to x minus into minus plus 2 whole square, 0 meaningless, we don't write, it is -9 whole square. Okay, A minus B whole square formula apply. A square minus twice AB plus of B square. Take this as A, this as B. A square minus twice AB plus of B square. 5 5s are 25. Similarly here, A plus B whole square formula. A square plus twice AB. A means x, B means 2. plus of b square plus 9 9 is 81 power even, so this negative become positive. Okay, x square from both the sides we can cancel. 2 square from both the sides we can cancel. Alright, minus 2 to the 4x plus 25, 2 to the 4x plus 81. We have to find the value of x, so bring the term containing x on the left hand side and transfer constant term to the right hand side. Minus 4x, this is plus. If you bring the left hand side, it will become minus 4x. Okay, 81 positive 25. If you transfer to the right, it will become minus 25. If both are negative, we have to add 4 plus 4 8x, both are negative, minus 81 minus 25. Take 1 from here, it is 11. 11 minus 5 6. Here remains 7. 7 minus 2 is your 5. This is greater, so positive. Okay, so x equal to what? 56 by minus 8. 8 7s are 56, implies x equal to minus 7. Okay, so to find the point, therefore the required point is, value of x is minus 7, so you put here minus 7. Okay, so minus 7 comma value of y is 0. Okay, so this is the point. All right.